Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do some Donruss 2020 football. These are 4 hanger boxes. I think I said before I wasn't going to pay over retail price for the Donruss stuff this year. And I was hoping to find the blasters at regular retail, but I haven't been able to. But I was able to find the hanger boxes, so we're going to get into these. At first I was going to pass these up, and then I watched a break of these, and they actually have quite a bit of stuff in them. So you're going to get, of course, the exclusive parallels, but they also have plenty of inserts. So, and of course a good number of rookies. So let's get in here. There's the odds. You've probably already seen this though, because it's been out for a minute. Let's check it out. And hopefully get some Burrow, some Tua. Quickly starting to see who the good rookies are from this class. Some stuff we won't know right away, and other stuff of course we will. Starting to see a lot of stuff, a lot of action out of the 2019 class too. Let's get on through the base cards. There's going to be a ton of those, so I'm not going to read all in it. Oh, I thought that was back-to-back Derrick Henry. Nope. Le'Veon, Carr. There's Manning. Phillip Rivers in the Colts uniform. Alright, here we go. Well, we're off to a good start because this is one of the rookies that's already putting up good numbers. CeeDee Lamb, rated rookie, red press proof. It's about as good a start as you can ask for almost. Followed by Tom Brady. Okay then. Then Brett Favre. So that's 3 really good parallels. And Jerome Baker. Wow, that was really good. Dominators, Drew Brees, that looks really good. See if I can get it in the right light. And look at there. What do you know? How you doing, Joe? The rookies, Joe Burrow. Wow, this box has been worth the price of admission. The rookies, Tyler Johnson. Good looking card here. Legend Series, Barry Sanders. Elite Series, Kamara. Elite Series Rookies, Jacob Eason. Retro Series, Peppers. Michael Thomas, highlights. The champ is here. Damian Wilson. I started to say Russell Wilson. That is Lake. Is that a parallel? Huh, it's bronze. I don't know if you can see it in the light, but it didn't say anything, or did it? Rated rookies, per average. Look for scorching white hot. There's silver. Gold, red. Well, I'm looking at it, so it's in there. So this is actually bronze. Cool. Then our base rookies. Derek Brown. Darrell Taylor. Christian Fulton. Cesar Ruiz. And then looks like we're back to a couple of more base cards. Wow, that is something else. I can honestly say I don't think I've ever opened such an exciting hanger box. That is a crazy amount of stuff for a hanger. Wow. Really did it up this time. Like a mess. Alright, let's just get to the goodies. Because Lord, there was a lot. And my press proofs were just amazing. Off to a good start again on Michael Thomas. Cole Holcomb, Dwayne Haskins, and Ryan Tannehill. Then we have the rookies, A.J. Dillon, Chris Carson, Dominators. He's having a good season. Chase Claypool, the rookies. Elite Series, Russell Wilson. What is this? I can't even read it. Power Formula, Randall McDaniel. Power Formulas. Another really good looking insert. Legend Series, Steve Hutchinson. Highlights, Adam Vinatieri. Donnie Shell, inducted. Hall of Fame card. Joe Mixon, 1990 Donruss, like a throwback reprint of some sort. A John Elway, All-Time Gridiron Kings. Nice matte finish. Some rookie cards. Oh, nice. Trayvon Diggs. Who's this? Isaiah Coulter, I guess. KJ Hamler, rated rookie. Not bronze this time. Then Juju, Honey Badger, and Tom Brady. So, okay. Not quite as good as box one, but still a ton of stuff. Moving on. Glad I got 4 of these. I started to stop at 2, but when I found them at a decent price, I thought, why not go ahead and get 4? Alright. Next round of goodies is Kinlaw rookie red press proof. Nick Bosa, Eric Kendricks, Leonard Williams. Dominators, Tom Brady. Brian Edwards, the rookies. My man, Josh Jacobs, Dominators. Elite Series rookie, Brian Edwards. Elite Series Kyler. Boy, he's having a season too. Donald Driver, Power Formulas. Another Vinatieri Highlights. Another Donnie Shell inducted. What is this? Legends of the Fall, Tom Brady. It's a really good looking card there. It's not shiny, but it just looks good. There's another bronze rated rookie, Joshua Kelly. Our rookies are Okara, can't talk. Chason, Chin, Apenza, I guess. I can't read that. Kelsey, our little base cards. Alright. Last box. No Tua has shown up, so maybe he will here. We did get the one Burrow. Haven't seen either in a base card. Alright. Daryl Taylor, rookie. Mike Williams. There's Peyton Manning. Von Miller. The rookies, Keyshawn Vaughn. Metcalf, Dominators. James Morgan, the rookies. Elite Series, Sean Watson. Power Formulas, miscut. Look at that. It's got a whole line of something that doesn't belong. Marshall Faulk. Legend Series, Marino. Sean Watson Highlights. Champ is here. Who is this? Damian Williams. Ah, a white hot rookie, James Morgan. So I wonder just how hard these are to get. Did it say ultra rare or did it? No, just look for the Scorching White Hot Rookies insert. Well, I got one. Cool. Gridiron Kings, Terry Bradshaw. Xavier McKinney, rookie. Logan Wilson. Kenneth Murray. Antoine Winfield Jr. And then a couple of more base cards. Wow, that was a lot to process in 10 minutes. So if you haven't seen this before, or if you were on the fence about picking these up, I wouldn't pay, you know, too much. It is still Donruss, but wow, that's a lot of stuff in a hanger box. So you probably get your money's worth if you don't pay any more than, say, $15 each. If you can get it around that price, you'll probably be okay. That's something else. All right, I got a lot more stuff to come. Thanks for watching. Everybody take care of yourself. Hope you're healthy, happy. I love you. Bye.